welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your network settings on iPhone which is having no service. So here's a guide to fix your searching as well as no signal. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. You need to check your carrier account and coverage. Firstly, contact your carrier to confirm account is active and is in good standing state. Ask if there's any outage or coverage gap in your area. Confirm your devices isn't blocked or barred from cellular service. Ask whether local IMEI registration is required for devices bought abroad. Fix 2. Toggle airplane mode. Open the settings app, turn airplane mode on and leave it for at least 15 seconds. Turn airplane mode back off. Check the status bar for returning the signal. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone or iPad. Power the device off completely. Wait for a few seconds before powering it back on. Check for searching to clear and signal bars to reappear. Fix 4. Update to the latest iOS or iPad OS. Go to Settings and then select General. From there, select Software Update. Install any pending update to patch network bugs. Restart once the update finishes. Fix 5. Check for a carrier settings update. Connect your device to Wi-Fi first. Go to Settings and then select General. Select About. Install the carrier settings update if a prompt appears. View your current version next to carrier under eSIM. Fix 6. Turn the cellular line back on. It can be dual SIM or eSIM. Go to Settings and then select Cellular and tap the problematic line. If toggled off, tap Turn on this line and check for service. If line is missing, you need to contact your carrier or reset physical SIM. Ask your carrier for a replacement of SIM if it is damaged. Fix 7. You need to turn on data roaming if you are traveling. Go to Settings and then select Cellular or Cellular Data. For a single SIM, you can just turn on cellular data and then go to cellular data option. For a dual SIM, turn on cellular data, then tap line and then cellular data options. Turn on data roaming and check if service returns. Fix 8. Reset network settings. You need to go to Settings, select General, and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then go to Reset network settings. Enter your passcode to confirm the reset operation. Also note this erases your Wi-Fi password, VPN configs, and cellular preferences. So make sure you have noted your Wi-Fi passwords. Device restarts automatically to clear corrupted preferences causing stuck status. So by following those fixes, it should help you solve the problem. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.